Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to Real GPL once again. Today I'm going to talk about B theme. So let me search for it. It's a very good theme with lots of demo that can be used for different kinds of websites. So basically, it's a multi-purpose theme. So if you have bought this or if you have downloaded it using our membership plans, then the very first thing that you have to do, like you have to unzip it. So I am going to the respective folder where I have downloaded this. Okay, and you can see like this is the main zip file. If I open it for you can see under that we have folder. Inside it we have theme parent and theme child and all. So I already have unzipped it, you can see it here. So right now what I'm going to do, I'm going to my WordPress, then I will click on themes, then click on add new, then click on upload theme, then click on choose file, then go to the respective folder, select the parent theme, click on open, then click on install now. This will install the parent theme for your website. Once the parent theme is installed, we'll go and activate the child theme. Okay, and then we'll follow, like we'll install the required plugins and then we'll import the demo. So let's see how this process goes step by step. So now installed, so let me click on themes again. We don't have to activate it. Let me click on add new, let me click on upload, then choose file, then select theme child, click on open, then click on install now. Once the theme child is installed, just click on activate to activate this theme. Now the theme is activated and you can see like the theme is registered, so we don't have to play with the license. Okay, otherwise it may create problems for you. Now let me click on install plugin section, then select each and everything, then click on install, then click on apply. Once all the required plugins are installed, the next step that we have to do, like we have to activate all the required plugins before installing the demo. That is the main process. So it is almost done. 8 of 9 is getting installed. Now 9 of 9, which is WP Bakery page builder. We also have installed like duplicator post, contact form, theme header builder, theme custom. So I think all installed. Yeah, so let me click on install plugin again, then select each and everything, then from bulk action choose activate, then click on apply. Let me go to my plugin section or extension section. You can see like each and everything is now activated. So let's go ahead and let me go to theme, then pre-built website section. And right now I am going to install the default theme, which is this one. If I show you the preview in a new tab, you can see this is the default demo that we are going to install now. Let's see how it goes. Okay, so I am clicking on install, then let me click on next. Then it is asking us to reset the database. So right now actually my WordPress was a fresh installation, so in that case I don't think I have to reset it. But in your case, if you are doing it on a previously installed WordPress where you have done something like you have installed few themes and plugins and then tried few things, then in that case either do a fresh installation or just reset your database using this reset button. Now I'm clicking on skip and I will click on install. This will install the complete pre-built website, I mean the main demo for us. So you can see like within moments the default demo has been installed. So let me check my website in a new tab. Yes, you can see like each and everything is coming as expected. It may possible that few images will not come because images are part of copyright, and in that case you have to use your own images. Okay, so I think you got the clear idea, like if you have to install theme and if you have to import the demo of theme, then how you can do that. So before I wrap up, one thing that I want to tell you that is very important, and if you have not joined our membership, then you must join it, because after joining it you will be having access to all our items except the lifetime deals in a very low cost. For example, in case of a starter membership, you are paying just $7, and in that you can download 10 products per day, and that is like up to 300 items a month. In case of INR, it will be like 499 rupees only. And we also are having lifetime deals where you can enjoy lifetime free updates from the WordPress section along with the original developer license, and that is also in a very budget cost, very low cost, I can say as well. So you must check it out. We have given the link of this in the description. Thank you very much for being with us. I will see you in the next one. Till then, enjoy your day. Bye bye.